They come out a lot easier than they go in, don't they? Hey, Brady, put the lid on it. Oh, you got one in. Very patient. Uh-oh, they're coming back out. No, I guess that's enough in there. Brady, Brady, look up here. Hey, Brady. All right, ignore me. That's a different way to do it. He's already been playing with this for about 10 minutes when I decided to pick up the iPad. Little guy. Little guy. I wonder if he's going to be good with his hands like his dad. He sure is good with them now.
Yes, he is. You gonna go to the Estee Lauder event?
Where is it?
Doc.
No.